What if I told you AI is not coming for every job, but it is coming for jobs that follow a very specific pattern? And the scary part? Most people still think, yeah, but AI can't replace me. That's exactly what photographers said before smartphones, what taxi drivers said before Uber, and what Blockbuster said before Netflix. So today, we're talking about whether AI can actually take your job. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know if your career is in real danger, or whether AI might actually make you more valuable than ever.
Artificial intelligence future of work. AI is changing everything.
Let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding first. AI is not replacing jobs because it's smarter than humans. Most AI tools are actually kind of ridiculous sometimes. They hallucinate facts, they mess up details. Sometimes they confidently say complete nonsense. However, is that actually a problem? Not really. Companies don't need perfection. They need faster, cheaper, and good enough. That's a dangerous combination. Imagine a company paying a copywriter $5,000 a month, but AI can generate 80% of the same marketing content in 10 minutes. Even if the AI is slightly worse, the company might still choose AI plus one editor instead of 5 writers. That's the shift happening right now. AI doesn't need to be better than you. It just needs to be cheaper than you. Here's something you should know for sure. AI will take your job if your work is repetitive. Same patterns, same decisions, same structure, over and over again. Take customer support, for example. They have to answer the same questions over and over again. Where's my order? How do I reset my password? What's your refund policy? AI chatbots are already doing that. Not in the future, right now. Basic graphic design is changing too. YouTube thumbnails, logos, Instagram posts, AI can generate these in seconds. And data entry jobs? Honestly, this category is in serious danger. If your job mostly involves copying information, organizing spreadsheets, processing forms, AI and automation are becoming brutally efficient at that. And companies love efficiency. Things get even more interesting. People thought AI would mainly replace factory workers. Turns out, AI is targeting office jobs first. Writers, analysts, assistants, marketers, even programmers. A junior developer used to spend hours debugging code. Today, tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT can solve many coding problems instantly. A marketing team that once needed 10 people might now need only 3 people using AI tools. And this creates something dangerous. The middle layer is disappearing. Companies still want top experts, strategic thinkers, creative leaders. But average, routine office work? That's where AI is striking relentlessly. Now, before everyone panics, let's get one thing straight. There are jobs AI struggles with. Usually jobs that require human trust, emotional intelligence, physical presence, or unpredictable problem solving. Therapists, nurses, electricians, plumbers, teachers, salespeople, entrepreneurs. Because humans don't just pay for information, they pay for connection, confidence, leadership, emotion. Although an AI can tell you how to fix anxiety, many people still want a real human therapist looking them in the eyes and saying, I understand. But what if we've been looking at this all wrong? The real danger isn't AI replacing everyone. It's one person with AI replacing 5 people without AI. That's the actual shift. A solo creator today can use AI for scripts, thumbnails, editing, captions, research, and translations. One person can now operate like an entire media company. The same thing is happening in business. One employee using AI effectively becomes insanely productive. So the future may not be humans versus AI. It may become humans with AI versus humans without AI. And honestly, that's already happening. So what should you actually do? Simple. Stop competing with AI on things AI is naturally good at. Start learning how to leverage it. And develop the skills AI struggles with. Skills like communication, creativity, leadership, and adaptability. Because people who explain ideas clearly will always win. Original thinking will always matter. AI can give advice, but humans inspire people. And the people surviving this shift are learning fast. The worst thing you can do right now is say, AI is just a trend. That's like saying the internet was just a trend in 1998. So, will AI take your job? Maybe, but here's a better question. Will someone using AI take your job? Because that's much more likely. The people who treat AI like a toy will probably struggle. The people who learn how to work with AI, they're going to dominate the next decade. And honestly, we're still at the beginning. So tell me in the comments, what job do you think AI can never replace? And if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe because the future is getting weird, fast.